COFIT car mesh organizer between seats, car net organizer storage bag, car caddy organizer, dog car barrier bag for purse and bags, red. Extra space. The car net car storage bag can provide space for front drivers/passengers to storage things such as handbags, but also for rear passengers to store small items such as phone, iPad. Safe driving. The car bag organizer can be used as a car barrier to prevent naughty pets and children from climbing to the front row, which guards safe driving. Easy to install. You just need to take less than a minute with 2 adjustable buckles fastened with seats and 1 stretchy Velcro covered over the front opening armrest box. Front shelter band. The car handbag holder with a front shelter band can protect the contents against falling down when in a driving car. Compatibility. Only compatible with the car with the front opening armrest box. And the side open armrest box, double open armrest box, no armrest box, and sports armrest box are not applicable.